to my channel. My name is Georgia, for those of you who are new. And to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So, we are a little bit early with it this month. We got it in time. So, we are, as you could tell from the title, about to open another BOXYCHARM box. So, this box is for the month of September. My other video posted late because I received the box late from BOXYCHARM. But we got this one just in time, so we are about to review. But before we get started, as you know, I always tell you I like to wear something from the previous or one of the previous boxes when I do my videos. So in this video, I am wearing a eyeshadow from Violet Voss Essentials. So this is the original Essentials palette. In the last unboxing for August, I received the Essentials 2 palette. So I'm going to link that video so you could see it. Some beautiful colors. As you know, Violet Voss has some beautiful colors. So in this palette, from this palette, I am wearing the emerald eyeshadow. This one. Put it all over my lid. And then for the inner corners, I am wearing the cream eyeshadow. That's why you see that little gold flecks or whatever. So that's what I'm wearing from the previous box. I'm also wearing on my lip my ever favorite iconic lip gloss. I have 2 of these that I received in a BOXYCHARM box, and this one is, I believe it's called Barely There. If you guys have never used or purchased the iconic lip gloss, consider buying it. Because what happened, it is so moisturizing, and it also has a peppermint flavor, like not too strong. It's really light, but it helps to plump your lips if you're looking for plumping. If not, I mean, I got all this going on, but it's okay. I don't mind. The flavor of it is really, you know, sometimes you have a lip gloss where you put it on, you swipe it on, and a minute later or a couple minutes later you have to reapply. Not this. This is really moisturizing, and it has a touch of peppermint to it, and it goes on really well, and it tastes really good. So consider the iconic London lip gloss, and they have different colors. I can't find my other one, my original, but I know it's not too far. Eventually I'll put it on. I'm sure it's somewhere in one of my pocketbooks. So those are the only things I have on, the eyeshadow and the lip gloss. And for my mascara, as always, I use the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. So that's it. Okay, let's get into this box. This box feels kind of light. I know it's only 5 products in there, but they say good thing comes in small packages. So let's see what's here. And as you guys know, I can't see, so at some point I'm gonna have to put on my glasses in order to read the cards like I usually do on the videos. Okay, let's get into this. So again, as always, I show the box. And there's always a theme, and this month's theme for September is called Glam Vibes Only. I like that. I like this card. They usually have some bright colors. This is cool. This is like they took a picture of the sidewalk. It says Charmer Center, and then they have the stop sign, the yield sign. That's cute. So that is the theme of this box. Now, what's the first thing? Don't put the card too far. Okay. First thing we have is some mascara. And it's from Laura Geller, and it's called the Volumizing Brush Vava Volume for Mega Lashes. It says smooth formula, provide extra volume without clumping. Alright, as you guys know, we're going to go to the card, and it's in black. They gave us the black color, which is always great. Could never have too much mascara, because sometimes you just put on your mascara, a little lip gloss, and you are out the door. I apologize if you hear a dog in the background. That's my neighbor's dog. His name is Thor. So imagine how big he is, and you hear the voice. You hear his bark, his voice. So that is Thor. So you may hear him again. So that's from Laura Geller. Let's read the card and see how much it costs. Glasses on. Alright, so that is Laura Geller Lash Boss bold mascara in black. It says, go the extra mile and give your lashes an enhanced lengthening and curling effect in just a few strokes. Lash Boss Stretch Lengthening Mascara offers an incredible soft, smooth, flexible formula with an exceptional silky feel. Manufacturer's suggested retail price for this mascara is $24. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna use this and see. $24 versus my what, $5 Maybelline mascara. We'll see. All right, on to the next item. So the next item says $Billion Beauty, and $Billion Beauty sent us a beauty sponge. You can never have enough of these to put your makeup on. It says vegan and charcoal infused. All right, we're gonna go to the card to find out why charcoal infused sponge is better, but that's the size of it, and it's in the color gray, and it also has the that's cute. It has the logo stamped on it, so you have B with a dollar sign in front, in between two B's. So B to B, $Billion Beauty. All right, let's read. It's a cute little beauty sponge, and I like the packaging. Okay, let's read it and see what it's about. Glasses on. Okay, $Billion Beauty. Okay, $Billion Beauty Charcoal Beauty Sponge. This charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter. And the price of this sponge is $15. $15 for a beauty sponge. And I don't see where the fact that it's charcoal infused make a difference. Okay, I'll read the box later on to find out if they should have put it on the card. Why does charcoal infused make a difference? Okay, next item. Oh, pretty box. I love the color. This box is pretty with a highlighted. So this is from Hank and Henry, and it says Lust from Hank and Henry. What is it though? Let me open it. Maybe it's a fragrance, or is it a... Oh, this is... Look at that! Look at the shape of that. That is pretty. Packaging does it for me. And what is it? It is a lipstick. So the way it goes, it pops in like this, and you press on here. Press. It locks in. Press from the other side, it pops out. And the color, oh girl, look, can you see? Let me see. Can you see the flecks? They have flecks of glitter in it. This is different. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen. Let me just let me swatch it on the inside of my wrist. Oh, let me see. Yeah, but when it goes on, the glitter is not that obvious. It's right here if you can't see. It's right there if you can't see. Oh, this is pretty. Smell? You know, lipstick have to have a nice fragrance too. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm impressed. I like the packaging if nothing else. I would just put this in my bag just for the packaging. This is cute. Hank and Henry, you did that. Now let's read the card and see. Oh, that's so cute. I told you, pretty things, good things come in small packages. Glasses on. All right, so Hank and Henry. Hank and Henry Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. Love your lips with Lip Love Luxe lipsticks. That's a lot of L's. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips, and is encapsulated with a stunning ruby container. Yeah, you're right. It is stunning. This formula is smooth and leave a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. I am impressed. I like this. This is cute. Really, really cute. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, next item is from Pharmacy, and it's called Cheer Up Brightening Eye Cream with acrola berry. Acrola berry. So this is an eye cream. Another pretty beauty product, pretty pack. Oh, I'm opening it without showing you. So this is the packaging, and look at the top of the box. Pretty, right? That's the top of the box. And let's see. So this is a brightening eye cream. I can't get into anything without ripping it, and I don't want to rip the box. Okay. But I don't have those nails where, you know, you could use it as a tool, which you shouldn't anyway. So here we go, packaging. Ooh, this is pretty. And it has, of course, got to make sure it's sanitary. Let me lift it. Ooh. Don't want it to fall. And then we have this eye cream. No, I can't put it on right now. I have on makeup. But I just want to see the texture and the fragrance. It's okay. I have other things from Pharmacy that I received in the box, and you know, you would think it's medicinal, smells stinky and stuff, but no. It's decent. This is something I can use. Okay. Always gotta stay youthful, and all these things help you. Okay, so last but not least in the box. Oh, we didn't read up on that, right? On the ice cream. Glasses on. On the eye cream, it's from Pharmacy. It says Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acrola cherry. It's acrola. Okay, acrola cherry. It says a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price, $45. So $45 for this eye cream. Okay. Like I said, last but not least, is this a palette? It looks like a little booklet. I don't know what it is. Let's find out. Okay, it's sealed, so I gotta open it. And it says Spanglish. Spanglish Cosmetics. Okay, what is it though? Pressed Pigment Palette. Okay. Let's open it up so we can have a closer look. It looks just like a little diary or a little book. A little storybook. This is pretty. Look at it. All right, we're getting there. And inside we have... You want to see these colors? Oh my God, I love BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM, come through. Look at the colors. Look at the colors on here. Oh, these are beautiful. And again, the packaging is lovely. And it comes in a nice big mirror back here. Of course, I'm not going to put the mirror on. It's going to blind you. But look at the colors. Look at the colors. I'm in love. I'm in love. And the names are quite different. Oh, Eres un show. Pero like. Tiene swing. Quad. Aye que cute. Ja ja ja. Muy excited. And point hyper. Oh, these are so pretty. These are nice. These are nice. And the package is lovely too. All right, let's read up a little bit about it. Oh, you guys know I love a palette. I love a palette. I have so many that definitely got to do some looks. All right. Okay. So it says Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. Perfect for day and night, this palette features 8 stunning shades. The 4 shimmers are just like your multi-dimensional and unique, dipping in a fine glitters and reflective pearls. Ground your look with the easy to blend and ultra long wearing mattes. Manufacturer's suggested retail price of $28. So out of this box for this month, yeah, nothing else, just the 5 pieces. My 2 favorites are this. Let me take the glasses off. My 2 favorites are this palette and this lipstick. I am definitely, just the packaging alone got me. Wow. So that is it. That is it for the BOXYCHARM box for the month of September. I thank you for watching. Of course, I tell you, I'm coming with my videos. I'm coming with the videos. I have too much makeup not to do videos, so they're coming. So as always, guys, thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you. I'm here waving it because I'm getting ready to take the thumbnail picture. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. Thumbs up this video, and I will see you on the next unboxing. Until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.